Hello YouTube, welcome back to Wiki Universe. Quick 5-minute video how to change or replace your radio for the Plymouth Prowler or Chrysler Prowler. Okay, 3 tools you're gonna need. It's a small screwdriver. That's a 3/8 socket. 3/8, and one of these plastic tools. You can find them in usually in Walmart. Okay, once you have these 3 tools, you take the first thing you're going to do, take the plastic one, the plastic little tool, and then gently open this little plastic frame. You have to be really gentle in order not to break anything. Just kind of okay, there's 2 little plastic things that need to go out on one of each of the sides, and left and the right. So do the same thing. There you go. Okay, once you do that, the next step you're gonna need to do is take those wires from those switches out. Okay, this is your cigarette lighter. You just pull it out. Okay, in order to do that, you're gonna have to hit that little plastic here with your little screwdriver in order to pull it out. Okay, once you have your cigarette lighter out, you have to take this one out, and in order to do that, you have to squeeze that little thing in here. Squeeze it and then pull it. Okay, so little correction. At this one, you don't squeeze it, you pull it out from the bottom up, and then you just take it. Okay, and then you have your frame dash out. Next thing, you use your 3/8 wrench. You only have 2 screws, one here and one here. Okay, once you untie it, it's probably gonna be easier just to do it by hand like that. Take it, 1 and 2. Put them in here so you don't lose them. Okay, next step is take the radio out. It's really gonna actually slide out pretty easy. And then you have the next thing to do is the wires on the back. Okay, the first one you want to take is the CD changer one. This is your CD changer. It actually just pops out. Just unplug it. Second one you want to take is this one here. There's like a little thingy that you have to lift it up like that, and then just lift it. See that little thing? Okay, and then take the third one is this black one here. It's got the same way. It's that little thing right here. You lift it up with your nail on your finger and then unplug it. Okay, then you have your antenna right here. Okay, what you do is this antenna goes out. There's nothing that needs to be unhooked. Okay, and then your same socket 3/8 for this one right here. So you grab it. Where's that socket? Okay, it's right here. So grab it, untie it. Okay, put it back with the rest of your bolts, and there you go. And for this one, for that little guy, what you're gonna do is you take a radio and you turn it this way, and there's like a little pin. Let me see if I can show it to you where it's at. Okay, so we have located that little pin. Is actually, you wouldn't really know where it's at because you can't really tell that that's a little pin. So you see, you push it this way down, and then you unplug it. That little pin, you have to push that screwdriver down in order to unplug it. There you go. And then you're all done with your radio for less than 5 minutes. Of course, if you're doing it for the first time, it might take a little longer than that, but it's not that difficult once you know what you're doing. Okay, and you're ready to put your new or refurbished radio. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check our playlist, and we'll see you later.